Welcome to the biomedical job updates of USA and Canada. The Ottawa Hospital, location Ottawa, Canada, role Biomedical Engineering Technologist, basic requirements Electronics Technologist Diploma, 3-year from an accredited institution, minimum of 6 months relevant experience. Application you can directly apply through this website. The next company, Aliza Medco, location Markham, Canada, role Biomedical Engineer Sales Representative, job requirements college or university degree preferred, valid driver license with acceptable driving record is must, job type full-time. You can directly contact through this number. Next company, Alice Veterans Health Administration Medco, location Durham, North Carolina, designation Chief Biomedical Engineer, education requirement relevant degree in biomedical engineering or related field. You can directly apply through these given details. Next company, Patent and Trademark Office, Department of Commerce, location anywhere in the US, designation Patent Examiner, Biomedical Engineering and comparable STEM platforms, education requirement degree in biomedical engineering or comparable STEM field. You can directly apply through this given details. Next company, Indian Health Service, location Duluth, Minnesota, designation Biomedical Equipment Support Specialist, education requirement relevant degree or certification in biomedical equipment technology or related field. Salary are given below. You can directly apply through this given details. Follow for more updates on upcoming international job updates on biomedical.